In today's vlog, the kind of sentence I'm going to learn is these. Watch me till end if you also want to learn these sentences with me. My head is splitting with headache. I have a terrible headache because it's been more than 2 weeks that I have cold and I'm not getting rid of this. I'm taking nasal drop 3 times a day. I take steam and I'm taking antibiotics and citrugen for cold, but it's not going away. See, my husband has installed humidifier in the kitchen itself so that I feel less crappy. Literally, this cold is so draining. So the first format is hardly had when. So we can say hardly had I sat in front of the camera when my kids start calling me. So let's practice this sentence 5 times. Okay? Hardly had I finished cooking when my husband arrived. Hardly had we came from the morning walk, the water bottle. Hardly had we came back from the morning walk when the water supplier arrived. Hardly had I finished cleaning when kids started messing up again. Hardly had summer arrived when the water shortages started again. What are you doing, Anna? Why are you making mess? Hardly had I looked away from the kids when they started making a mess again. Even in the morning, hardly had I lain down on the bed when they started jumping on it. So as you saw, I used it in 5 different situations. Now the second special sentences structure is not until did. तब तक नहीं जब तक. Not until I started speaking daily did I speak English fluently. Means in simple language, if we say, I did not speak confidently until I start practicing English daily. Not until the sun set did we leave for the park. Not until the sun set did the park become quiet. Not until I sat on the bench did I feel relaxed. Not until their stomachs were full did they start playing. Not until they got completely exhausted did they come to me. Summer season just started and not until evening does the weather gets pleasant. Now let me tell you the third type of sentence what I have learned. So it is if it were not for अगर ये नहीं होता तो. If it were not for my husband, I would have not started my YouTube channel. Let's understand this in simple words. I would have not started my YouTube channel if he did not be my husband. My husband is my mentor. I'm really grateful for my husband's support. If it were not for my kids, my house would be always clean. In simple words, if I did not have my kids, my house would be always clean. If it weren't our tough situation, we would go for a long drive today. It's okay. This too shall pass. Now these sentences were for present. Now let's figure out some past sentences. For past time sentences, we use if it hadn't been for. If it hadn't been for my kids, my YouTube channel would have monetized already. If it had not been for missing spices, this potato stuffing would have tasted better. Sorry, we say it would have tasted better. If it had not been for my kids interrupting me, my lunch would have been ready much earlier. Now the fourth one is little did I know. मुझे बिल्कुल अंदाजा नहीं था. Little did I know that this video will go viral. I had no idea that my small video will go viral. Don't look at me like that. This is my husband's video, not mine. Little did I know that this cold will remain for so long. This is terrible. Little did I know that learning English would become my passion. Little did I know that to pursue my graduation, I would have to leave my husband alone here. Everyone, please avoid the video quality. My mobile is in my hands because I'm going to test myself now. This is the last stage of this learning. So I will read aloud the incomplete sentence and I have to complete that sentence within 30 seconds. See, no cheat. I think you guys cannot see it. So the first sentence is hardly had I opened the fridge. Hardly had I opened the fridge when the fridge smell was the the fridge was ranking. 7 seconds left. Okay, I think for the first one my mind was not prepared enough. Second one is hardly had I finished cooking. Hardly had I finished cooking when my husband arrived. I don't know what are the answers. Now the real score to know by the end of this video, and when I will edit this video. Hardly had Shona arrived home. Hardly had Shona arrived home when Ayan fell off from the chair. 21 seconds left again. I don't know, I'm going in wrong way or right way. If one sentence would be wrong, all the sentences would be wrong. The next one is hardly had I switched on the TV. Hardly had I switched on the TV when the power got off. 19 seconds. Let's come to the next one. I have to say the sentence correctly using not until. It says, I saw the full mess. I entered the kitchen. Or until not, I see the kitchen. Did the kitchen messy? Oh no. Until not, I saw the full mess. Until not, I lost it. This time I did not make it. Let me try to make the sentence for this so that I do not lose next time. So I saw the full mess. I entered the kitchen. I think I can. Not until I saw the full mess did I enter the kitchen. I think this is the correct way. Okay. So next is I could relax. Kids slept. Timer has started. Not until kids slept did I can relax. I don't know. 10 seconds are left. Actually, I'm getting confused that which sentence I have to say first. Let's do the next one. I felt happy. Sona praised me. Okay. Not until Sona praised me did I felt happy. Yeah, did I feel happy. 19 seconds again. Okay. Now the next sentence is I learned the truth. My friend told me. Not until my friend told me did I learn the truth. Did I learn the truth? I think I am going right way, but let's see. I'll get to know by the end of this video only. Now I have to make the sentences using if it were not for my husband. I would have finished the chores early. Now time starts. If it weren't for my husband, I would have not finished the chores early. 14 seconds. What's this? I think I made mistake, but I cannot undo it. I said I would have not finished the chores early, but it has to be like I would have finished the chores early. Okay, it was very simple. Why did I do mistake? But it has to be like I would have finished the chores early. Okay, it was very simple. Why did I do mistake? Now let's move on. The next one is the rain I would have gone out. Time starts. If it weren't for the rain, I would have gone out. 20 seconds. My mother, I would have cooked alone. If it were not for my mother, I would have cooked alone. 25 seconds left. Electricity, we would have watched the movie. If it were not for electricity, we would have watched the movie. 20 seconds. Now the last, I have to complete the sentence again. This one is time taking because actually I have to think what can be the next half part of the sentence. I have to imagine the situation. which is suitable for the sentence. Now, little did I know that my kids, little did I know that my kids will speak English so fluently. Oh my god, it took a lot of time. 12 seconds only left. Okay, now again, timer starts. Little did I know that Shona will give me a slap. 24 seconds. I don't know is it right or not. No, I think I made mistake. I would have said little did I know that Shona would hit me. Okay. Little did I know that the recipe would turn out so well. 21 seconds. Now, little did I know that the day will turn into the worst day of my life. 19. Now it is the time for score. If you have watched the video till yet, that means you like the video, and if you have liked the video, then you have to literally hit the like button, and you are supposed to tell me my score in the comment box.